Guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Pro, and today we are going to unbox Redmi Note 7 Pro. Just now today we received this product the morning, and I placed order by 13th March, and today it's 15th, and today morning I got this product. And let me go inside this mobile and see what is there. Okay, this is my Redmi Note 7 Pro, and now actually I am now in the university, so I don't have any material to unbox it. So I'll try to open this with my pen, and let's open. Wow, such a nice look. I never saw any branding from MI like this. This quality is premium, and in the front side, as you can see, it's a Redmi Note 7 Pro 48 MP camera. Here India's number one smartphone brand, and in the left side you can see MI barcode and Redmi Note 7 by Xiaomi. And in the back, let's see what is there in the back. In top it is written there 48 plus 5 MP AI dual rear camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 and 6.3-inch dot notch display, 4000 mAh battery. And here it is dual SIM and dual standby, and Neptune Blue 4GB and 64GB variant we got. And here it is the main highlight, it's made in India. Wow, something covered, and let's see what is there inside. It's a transparent back cover, some paperworks. Premium quality back cover. Let's go to the main box. I'll keep my pin. Okay, here what is there inside, let's see. SIM ejector tool. It's very small but very useful. Okay, let's keep it side. And this is my brand new Redmi Note 7 Pro. Wow, it's premium design. And what is there inside, let's see again. Nothing. It's a charger, standard MI charger, and it is, let's see how much ampere. It should be 5V 2A. Actually it supports 27W charger, quick charge 4, but as of now in MI side there is not available this quick charge 4, only 3 available. So I have quick charge 3 charger, so I'll try with that charger also. And here it's the data cable. It's type C port, and quality also they upgraded. It's little premium, and length also little bit more compared to other MI phones. And let's see anything else. Nothing else here. Okay, let's go to the main phone, and this is my phone, Redmi Note 7 Pro. Something written there, and if I try to open this Xiaomi, whoa, it's like awesome. And let's give some overview of this total phone. It's here is speaker, type C port. Here it's power button, volume rockers, and 3.5mm jack with noise cancellation mic and air blaster. And this side it's SIM tray. Okay, let's open the mobile and see what is there inside. Okay, I'll open this SIM tray and see what is there inside. I think it's hybrid slot. Let's put it back, and it's MIUI 10, and this is my MIUI 10. And let's go inside. English India. I'll add fingerprint pattern. It is showing some notification not required. and my pattern confirm. Let's add fingerprint. It will take some time, as I know I formatted my smartphone several times in my smartphone, and by this time I will show you the glassy back. Wow, it's like premium design. It's very thin, and it has the Korean Gorilla Glass 5 in both sides, front and back, and some special features like camera, 48 megapixel camera, and Snapdragon 675 recent processor, Sony IMX 586 camera, and here is my speaker. As of now we have 63% charge, and we'll charge it more later on. Boot up complete. They pre-install some app like Snapchat, MI Remote. These are common in my community, not useful, and nothing else special. Let's go to the camera first, and this is the camera. Let's go here and see where is the 48 megapixel option. AI camera. Okay, and if I want to go to 48 megapixel, how to go 48 megapixel? As you can see, let's capture a photo. It's taking some time to process the picture as it is 48 megapixel, and here is the picture. You can see the main picture. Okay, and if I capture in the normal mode, and let's see what is there if I capture in the normal mode. It doesn't have that much zoom compared to 48 megapixel, and if I go to some straight group selfie option is there, and night mode, portrait mode. If I capture in the portrait mode, and let's see what is there. This is my leg. Okay, portrait captured. Blur is not that much good, but blur is good, but edges are not at all good. I don't like the edges. Maybe they will update, they will fix in next update. And let's go to the file manager and see the MB size of this whole file. And this is the two picture. This is portrait mode, and in portrait mode it is 10 MB, and if I go, it's maybe 12 megapixel, and if I go to the details, and it is 5 MB, and in 48 megapixel it is 13 MB. So MB doesn't matter, as you know. Main thing is the quality, and quality wise premium designed, and it's very handy. I like the device, and as of now, so now I'll try to connect my quick charge 3, as I have already one charger, quick charge 3 Amran charger. So let's go. This is the standard MI charger I got with my phone. I'll charge my mobile with this charger first. Just charging, nothing else written here, only charging. And now I'll try to charge with my quick charge 3.0. This is Amran charger, and it supports adaptive fast charge, which is quick charge 3.0. and now it's charging fast. So it supports quick charge 3.0 and also it supports quick charge 4.0. And as you can see here in the bottom side, here one LED light, which is pretty good, looks very good. This is full HD shot at 1080 30 fps, and as you can see EIS is there, so it's not too shaky. Thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.